Oh, we got to position it. You got this under?
Yes.
Are you gonna drink it?
No.
We put this here and we can catch it. Since filled with soda. You'll see the splatter of it.
Wait. I get directly. I gotta get the stay. How to stay, stupid?
There. Oh crap, I gotta hurry. It's gonna fall over. Now I know why I was doing because I have it upside down, but wait. Stop. Shoot it. Ah! What? Put this in. Put this in. Hurry. Make it stay up. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right here.